You're experiencing an emergency with your power supply, and that sucks. We're here with an easy-to-use portable battery that you can set up in 3 simple steps. Before we get started, let's quickly go over the 3 main components of the battery system. First, this is the lead-acid battery that stores the energy that will be used by the system. This over here is the AC wall charger. This component lets us charge the battery via a standard AC power outlet found in most homes. The cord should be labeled for your convenience. Lastly, the inverter converts our stored DC power into usable household AC power. This is the component that makes it possible for us to draw power from the battery system. Now let's move on. Here's how to quickly verify if the battery is ready to use. First, check here to see if the battery is full. Not all batteries are alike, so look for the voltage reader on your inverter. Most are full at 12.7 volts. If less than 12.5 volts, please contact the collective. Once you've verified the above, turn on the inverter. Using the battery is easy. Just plug your device into the outlet here. Heaters, electric kettles, microwaves, and other high voltage devices will drain the battery faster, so think of it as only for essentials like phone, computer, or refrigerator. How to charge the battery. Make sure the inverter is turned to off. Plug the charging cable into any standard working outlet in your home. Once plugged in, an LED light or other visual display will indicate charging. Charging will take several hours. The battery should be fully charged and ready to go at 12.7 volts. Thank you for being part of the Battery Collective. Power on.